Vowels and consonants. Alphabet is divided into two groups, vowels and consonants respectively. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Vowels. A vowel is a letter that is both open and voiced. The air coming from the lungs is not blocked by the mouth or throat. Most of English words contain at least one vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Consonants. A consonant is a letter that closes the mouth and the sound is blocked by the tongue, teeth or lips. Consonants don't stand on their own but only come with a nearby vowel. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.